Okay, guys. Last time we've been talking about the um, geometry and networks, right? And we learned about the congruent um, um, triangles and the quadrilaterals, right? Uh, then, yeah, technically we have to do today 2D, similar figures. Okay. Right. Please have a look at the um, example. Actually, we have done this one in year 9 as well, at similar figures. The only uh, important thing is as long as they are similar but in different sizes. So what we have to do is we have to find the scale factor. Mm, Scale factor is like basically how big the larger shape or the figure compared to the original one, right? So we'll see how we can work it out. So example 8, guys, have a look. Right. These two shapes are similar. So we have been given two trapeziums. They are similar and they are saying that they are similar. Write a similarity statement for the two shapes, right? Remember how we wrote it last time is that they are similar. We draw the three lines, yes. So you would say ABCD is similar to EFGH. Right? So like this. And then guys, next one is complete the following, part B. So EH is in the bigger one, or otherwise we can say this is the image, right? This is going to be the image. And then EH, which is the biggest side, I would say, in that shape. And then that of the smaller one is going to be, what is it? Original one is going to be ADS. Yep. And then similarly, guys, FG is the other one. Probably the shortest side in the image. And then that of original figure will be, what is it? CBS. Right. Then, or you can say BC. Right. Then the other one is, guys, part C. We have to find the scale factor. So scale factor we can find by dividing these ones. What we have been given here is probably what we can do is we can divide these two, AB and EF, right? So EF over AB. EF is 5 centimeters. AB is 2 centimeters. As a result, scalar factor will be 2.5. Meaning, what can I say? The image or the bigger one, this is the image. Image is 2.5 times bigger than the original figure. Right? Right. Then, guys, part D. Find the value of x. X value would be, what is it? So x value is what is the corresponding value for that in the smaller one, in the original figure? Yeah, so the EH is going to be, EH is actually X, but which we don't know, but we know the corresponding side for that one in the original figure. What's the length of the original figure? 3 years. Then how do we calculate it, guys? If it is 3, so AD is 3 centimeters, and that means we have times this one by what? Scale factor, which is 2.5. So X is going to be 7.5 centimeters, right? What you have to consider is like basically two things. One is the scale factor, and the other one is what the corresponding side for that one. Then finally, guys, part T, find the value of y. Now we have to come to the opposite operation. So earlier we found the um, length of the bigger one, but now we are going to find the length of the smaller one. So then what would we do, guys? So the corresponding side for the y. What is the corresponding side for the y in bigger one? 7 centimeters, yes. So then 7 centimeters is the bigger one. Smaller one, we are saying y, then what should we do? We have to divide it by the scale factor, which is 2.5. Right? So then if we divide it by 2.5, we would get 5.2. No, 5.2. It's actually 2.8. Yeah, 2.8. Right? So y would be equal to 2.8 centimeters. So like that, we can calculate. All right. Any questions, guys, with that? Okay. Can you please have a look at the question? Um, you want to do an easy one or a hard one? Easy one. Okay. Do you want to try question 2?
You round it up to the nearest decimal point.
For question number 2, yes.
Just one decimal point.
Yeah, 1 decimal point is fine.
To get the scale factor,
Yeah.
Say AB,
Yeah.
you divide AB
What?
by FG.
We'll have to divide AB by FGS. Actually, the other way.
Three.
So, yeah, 3 divided by 2.
So it's always in the image one that goes.
You guys have a red pen?
Uh,
Thank you, Peanuts. Okay. A good sir, you can do question number five. 10. You have a small issue. Last one, part T.
you have the textbook.
You don't have the textbook? Didn't I send it to?
I'll check my.
Hmm.
Because this is a different laptop.
Okay, that's fine. Now I'll share the thing
Uh,
for this point. Yeah. Then in the question, it is asking part E. Um, 1 minute, sure. Yeah, part E, they're asking find the value of y. So when they're asking you to find the value of y, you know what you have to do. So if you are timesing it by the scalar factor, then it will be a 2 times 3 will be a bigger value. Does that make sense? In the bigger image also, it's 2 centimeters. So in the smaller one, it can't be 3 centimeters. It should be smaller. Then what do you have to do? You have to divide by the factor. Okay. It will be the opposite. That means 2 times. It's like 2 divided by scale factor, which is 3/2. So when this division becomes a multiplication, it will be times, and this one will flip. So then it is 2 times 2, which is 4 divided by 3. You want to fix it? Yep. Do question number 5. Yes, Sasha. What do you mean by X here? This X means what? All the way to here? Or this part?
Step.
Okay, that means what do you have to do? So what you have find is, what you have found is,
The scale difference.
no, what you have found is, so then 0.5 is this, yes? So then what is the corresponding side for that one in the bigger one? So if I say something like this, A, B, C, this is, I would say, D. So for 0.5, that is AD in the smaller triangle. What is the corresponding side for AD?
C.
No. So D, so that means you are saying the triangle?
Where?
No, it's not a triangle, yes?
Oh, it is.
So then think. So you can't think like a machine.
It's
Sorry? No.
no. A. E. Is it?
So my question is, in the smaller one or the original one, whatever it is, the side we are considering is AD. So what's the corresponding side in the bigger one? Okay. Radha? This is for 6 years. Okay. Don't know. Yeah, think. This one 1.6 is correct. No, scale factor would be. What's the scale factor here? Yeah, scale factor is 10. So see the bigger one is, what is it? The bigger triangle is bigger triangles like this all the way to here, which is what? One only? 1.6. So then similarly, what is the smaller triangle's side? 1. That means scale factor is what? 1.6. Okay. So you have written 5 over 3. No, it's 1.6 divided by 1, which is 1.6. You want to fix it? I should think.
Didn't CB?
CB, no. So the basically the what do you call the base. So base is going to be the so we are considering, what is it? So if I say this is A, this is D, and C, right? So if you are considering the base, yeah,
DC?
BC
No.
or DC?
DC.
No. Now see, is it a triangle though? So then you are saying like it's like B or DC. No, there is no such a triangle. Right? Make sense? Yeah. So then 0.5 is the smaller one's side. So my question is, what is the corresponding side for that in the bigger triangle? So what's the bigger triangle? Name it.
What?
What's the bigger triangle? Can you name the bigger triangle? A smaller triangle, I will say triangle ADO. Yeah.
BC.
What is the bigger triangle?
BC.
BC?
Oh.
BC only?
BC. Oh.
BCO. Is it a triangle? Can you show me a triangle BCO? So if that is a triangle, then it will be something like this.
Yeah.
So is there a triangle like that? No. So what's a triangle?
B, C, D.
No.
Is it not?
No. BCD is a triangle again. No.
No, this one. Isn't it four?
Yeah, a triangle has four sides.
It's not.
Yeah. Think. Think outside the box. You are still stuck in one place.
Is X.
No. But we have 1.6 as a result. What's the part B? Sorry, can you turn on the light, please? Yeah, thank you.
BCA.
Yeah, BCA. Correct. Now you're thinking outside the box. Now you can work it out.
B. B. Would A be up there or down?
Come again?
A would be down there, right?
Hmm.
And X.
Yeah, ACL. ACL.
So now what do I?
Now my question again. What's the corresponding side for AD in the bigger triangle? Yeah, this is correct.
C.
Okay. No.
It's not.
No, not CB. All right, 7B.
A, B.
No. As I said, you have to think on the base.
A, C.
Hmm.
So A, C is equal to A, T. But then AC has X.
Yeah, that's fine. But you have to find this AC. Then after that, you can find X.
So how would I find AC?
Yes. So now what are the think about it.
So what I do is 0.4, 1.2
Mm-hmm.
divided by 0.5.
No.
I mean 0.4.
Yeah.
0.1, and that'll be 3. And then I'll do, because that's the scale, I'll do 0.5 times 3. Should be 1.5. Is that right?
1.5 is AC. But what RC is not AC.
Oh,
Because again, you had calculated it before as well as 1.5 you showed me. But I told you that is not X.
is it 1?
Yeah.
Is it a minus the 0.5?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but you have to say X equals 1.
Oh,
Right? You want to do another one like that? Hmm? Try D, 7D. I think my scale factor, yeah, the scale factor is wrong. Check again.
3.6 to 1, I don't know, like 3.
No. You have to consider that entire side. You have to figure out from that one. X equals, yeah, again, you have made the same mistake like in 10. You are saying x equals 1.5. Yeah, actually, now look at this. This is what you are calculating as 1.5. Okay, this entire side is 1.5. Makes sense? Because if you consider the small triangle is this one. Small triangle will be this. Right? And bigger triangle is what? What I'm drawing in red. Okay? Right? So then what you are calculating is all the way from here to here, which is 1.5. Whereas this one, the smaller one's one is 0.5. This one is 0.5. I'm talking about the base. Base of the smaller triangle is 0.5, and then three times as bigger as the smaller base would be the bigger base, one which is 1.5. That is what you have calculated. So that means that is not what they're asking. They're asking x. What is x? X means, what is it? Here to here. What is X then?
Outcomes.
Oh, sorry. X equals 1 centimeter, okay? Oh no, they haven't put, I'm sorry. They haven't put the thing. That's fine, you're correct. Try 7D. What? Did you find the scale factor? No.
No.
Did you find the scale factor? Still doing it? No? Okay, you have to consider this one. Okay, this is the side. So, again, if you want, you can name the sides. What is it? A, B, C, D, or maybe I'll name it like this. Yeah. Now, again, your scale factor is also wrong. Right? Okay, so then I can help you. Or you want to still try? Yeah. So what is it that you have written it? Small triangle base. No, this one is actually the height. I mean, but it's not the perpendicular height, it's the slanted height. Small triangle's height is 1.1. No. Large triangle 1.3. No. No. Okay. Okay, I'll show you. Now, guys, have a look. Right? Now, what is the, if I draw it here, This is going to be the triangle, yes. This is going to be the bigger one. Yeah, that's the bigger one. Where is the smaller one? This one. This is the smaller one. Then what about now tell me, what's the bigger triangle's side? Yeah, no, bigger ones, ADS. What's the length? 4.7. All of you had taken 3.6. Make sense? That's 4.7. Now you can tell me the scale factor, 4.7. What is the corresponding side for the smaller one? 3.6. This is the scale factor. Hmm? Yep. So the scale factor will be, I think it will be a decimal figure. It doesn't matter. It's approximately 1 point, would it be 1.3? Yeah, 1.32 or something like that. You want to calculate it? One point, no, 4.7. Yes, 4.7 divided by 3.6. 1.30. Yeah, let's take 1.3. If you want, we can take 1.31 as well, right? If it is one thing, it's 1.3. Then you can calculate the rest. You want to calculate then? X. You'll have to do a algebra actual equation. Without that, you can't, yes? This is 1.3. So it's like AC. No,
Would it be 1.7 all 3 minus 1.3?
1.7. Let me check. One point seven, no.
Would it be 1.4? I mean 0.4.
No. Should be bigger than what this. 1.7. No, 1.3. You want to try or you want me to help you? Sorry? You need help? You need help as well? Okay. It's like this. So then, guys, so we know that one is 1.3, yes? This is 1.3. This is X, yes? Then what's our facts? So basically you can say AE. Yes, AE divided by AC is going to be what? 1 point. AE is the bigger one, AC is the smaller one, which is equal to what? 1 point. Scale factor is 1 point. No, 1.3. Our scale factor was, remember? 1.3, yes. Otherwise, if you want, you can do like this as well. 4.7 divided by 3.6, same thing. This is also, that. All right, now, this is how I'm going to do. This is, we know 1.3 anyway. Right. Then, guys, AE is what? We can substitute values. X plus 1.3. Do you agree with me? This 1.3, okay? AE is what? X plus 1.3. You agree with me? Yeah. Then AC, I'm going to say, what is it? X is equal to what? 1.3. Agree with me? Then what is the next operation? The next step. Yeah. Nobody knows? Which one?
One.
By 1.3 by 1.3? No. Understand? You have any idea? No. Okay, now see, we have X here, yes, on the left-hand side. We have to get rid of that. What do you do? So I want to get rid of this X. So how? We can't just cancel. What do you do? No, not X divide. So you times this side by X. So as a result, I'm going to S times the which one? Yeah, the other side also by X. So what do you call it? So this X will cancel with this X. What do you call that operation? Cross multiply. I have forgotten, yes? They are basics. Basically, I think you have learned them in year 7, yes? Right? Cross multiply. Then what will happen? What I will left behind is with X plus 1, 3 is equal to 1.3x. Then what do I do? So if you want, I'll take the X to the other side. So then what I will have is 0.3x is equal to 1.3. Then X equals, what is it? 1.3 divided by 0.3, which is 4.33. 0.3 is okay. I actually skip one step. Right. So what I did was, now see, 1.3x is equal to x plus 1, 3, yes? So this x I'm carrying to this side becomes minus 1.3x minus x is equal to 1.3. So that means what will happen? 0.3x. So 1.3x take away x. Yep. 1.3x take away x. What's the answer? 0.3x is equal to 1.3. Then both sides are divided by 0.3. So x equals, I'm getting 4.33. Makes sense? Take it down. You have to take it down with the steps, okay? Because both of you had forgotten the steps. Done. All right, then guys, I think that should be enough for that. Then we'll go to the next one. Okay, now here, what are we going to do? Proving and applying similar triangles. Right. Then we can say two objects are similar if they have the same shape but different size. Right? If they are exactly equal, what did you say? By the shape, by the size, and by the shape, if they are exactly equal. Sorry? Yeah, similar. Or otherwise, what is the term we use? Starts with C. Co. No, congruent. Yes. Otherwise, we said, what is it? Identical, right? But this one is similar. Similar figures means like what we've been doing, right? So they can be the same shape, but different sizes, right? So we draw a triangle. Look at this one. This is, of course, we can see this is a smaller one, right? This is a smaller triangle, but this is also the same shape, but with a bigger scale. Yes. All right, guys. Then now see, we are going to prove that they are similar. How are we going to prove that they are similar? So technically, these are the things. Triple S. You were not there last time, Ashkan. Hereafter, if you can't attend the class, I'm recording this. So this is actually I'm recording for Chloe. So hereafter, I'll tell your parents as well in case you can't come. I'll record the lesson and then I'll forward it to you. I upload it to the to YouTube and then I'll forward it to you. Okay, guys. Then these are tested for similarity. So what are the methods? Triple S. That means all three sides are equal, and then side angle side, then triangles, right, and then right angle, hypotenuse, and another side. Now remember, 10. If last time, did you have the triple angle? No, because why? Triple angle issue is triple angle. We can't prove for similarity or the identical. Why? The reason is we can have same shape but different sizes. Last time what we did was same shape and same size, but this one same shapes and different sizes. Yeah. So then with this one, yeah, that's true. Okay. Right. Then guys. Okay, now we'll go through the example. Using similarity test to prove similar triangles. Okay, before that, we have to prove the, what is it? I mean, we have to calculate the scalar factor as well, right? That of course we'll do, but scale factor, you know how to do it, right? Prove that the following pairs of triangles are similar, right? Now, how can we do that, guys? Now look at this. Now we can say angles. Yes, this angle is 20 degrees. This angle also 20 degrees. The smallest angle in both the pairs of triangles. They are equal, 20, 20. But the other one is, what is it? AB is 1.5, DE is 3, whereas AC is 2 and DF is 4. What does that mean, guys? That means we can say the ratio, have a look at the bigger one divided by the smaller one is 2. Bigger one divided by the smaller one. The corresponding sides are still 2, meaning same ratio, right? Same scale factor, meaning we can say that they are similar or same figures, right? I mean, similar shapes. Okay, next one is, guys, Yeah, so we'll have to do the same thing. I didn't do the other one. Okay, so that's for the part A. Part B, what is happening? Same thing. So now see, we have two triangles, two angles that are equal. What are those? 65 and 65, and the other one 40 and 40. Then what we have to do is, guys, if two sides, two angles are equal, what will happen to the other one? Do you think the other one is equal? No? No? You sure? All right. I think yes. Why? You subtract it from the 180. So what will happen? 75. This one also, same thing. 65 plus 40, yes, which is 75. See, if two angles are equal in two triangles, the other one obviously will be similar. Yes, why? Because it's 180 take away the rest. Same thing. So if two angles are equal in two triangles, the other one will be automatically will be equal. Yeah. Right. So then triple angle, triple A is the reason. Good. Then you want to do easy one or a hard one? Easy one? Yeah. When you are saying when you are proving that they are equal, you have to mention the reason as well. Okay. Like in triple A or triple S, whichever it is.
Which full A is average, right?
Yes. S is side. Side. S is side.
So if it's angle and size, would you do SAS?
Yes. Side angle side. SAS. Yeah, do the question number 1, part C and E.
If the angle doesn't involve in that part, do you still do SAS or no?
If the angle is not there,
If the angle's still there, but you don't use it, you have to use it, right?
yeah, if two corresponding angles are equal, then you can say angles are equal. Why wouldn't you consider it?
Yeah.
Okay, how would you write it? They are equal, Ashar. Basically, you have to write like this. See? Huh? Yeah, yeah, write it like that because you have to use those signs. Yes, A, B, C, that thing, yeah, 3 lines, yes. Yep. Okay, E is not essays.
Side angles.
Okay, see, there is a, that's why I gave you. There is a, what are those? Right angle triangle. So then there's a special one for that. They're right angle.
All two sides are equal. No. All
See this one? The hypotenuse of two right.
D. Yeah.
What is that?
See that?
Yeah, no, I mean, what is the root?
It's the R. Yes.
So what is it? What is that? The right angle is anyway equal, then hypotenuse should be equal, and another side.
So what? How would I do that? Would I just do
That is going to be RHS, but you have to prove it. So then you have to get the ratio.
the ratio?
Yeah, ratio. Ratio should be equal for both of them.
So 10/5
Yes.
plus 8/4.
Yeah, 10/5 and 8/4. Correct. You have to write it. You have to show that it is the same. So hypotenuse 10 divided by 5 and so on. Yep. Yeah, good. And then, okay, guys, now we'll do the next one, which is the next example. The similarity test for the cone. Right. A cone has a radius 2 centimeter and height 4 centimeter, right? Then the top of the cone is cut horizontally through D. So does that make sense? So as a result, what will happen, guys? We have a bigger one. This is the bigger cone. Right. This is the bigger cone, and then at the same time, this is going to be the smaller cone. Yep. Makes sense? Right. Then prove triangle ADE. ADE, yep, is similar to triangle ABC. Right? So what are the ways that we can prove it, guys? So then definitely we have a common triangle, yes? What is a common triangle? I mean, sorry, common angle. So this is going to be our triangle. Then this is the other one. So then what happens, guys? We have a, what is it? Common angle for both of them. That is one thing. And also, what is the other one? We have a, again, 90-degree angle, yes? So right angle. Both of them are right angle. Yeah. Which means what will happen to the other triangle? Will also be equal, yes? Right, both of them are right angles. And then angle ABC is equal to ADE. Yep. So then those two triangles are equal. And on the other hand, we can say so if two angles are equal, obviously we can say what is it? The other angle is also going to be equal. But they haven't used in the solution, they haven't used the right angle, but instead they are saying what is it? These two triangles are equal because these are parallel. These two lines are parallel. As a result, these two angles are equal. That's also possible. What's the reason? They are corresponding angles, right? And also similarly, this angle is also equal, also corresponding, right? So that means triple A, we can say they are equal. Then after as a result, what can we say, guys? We have to calculate the radius of DE. So this one's radius is, what is it? This one is, guys, what is it? 2. This one is 2 centimeters. And this one is, what is it? 1 centimeter. Meaning corresponding sides, we can get the scale. The scale is going to be 2 divided by 1, which is 2. Okay. And on the other hand, no, they have, no, my bad. No, what are they saying? Cone has radius of 2 and height of 4. Hold on. No, they are giving it to us. They are saying, sorry, AD is 1 centimeter. AD, no, this one is wrong. Hold on. The AD, which is this one. A and B is 1 centimeter, whereas A and B will be 4 centimeters. Yes. AD is 1 centimeter, AB is 4 centimeters. So meaning, um, mm, meaning, what is the scale factor, guys? 4. So scale factor will be AB divided by AD. AB is 4, AD is 1. So scale factor is going to be 4, guys. Scale factor is 4. Is it clear? And then after that, guys, our radius is what? Of the bigger cone is what? 2. Meaning smaller cone will be?
0.
Yeah. So then, yes, correct. So then 2 centimeter is the bigger one's radius, whereas smaller one's radius will be, you divide this one by 4.5.
Oh, it's just balls.
Make sense? Or is it confusing? Okay, you want to do a question or you guys okay? You okay? You want to do a question now? No? You okay. All right, then take down the homework, guys. Yeah, please do exercise 2E. All the questions 1 to 6, and then 4 to D. Questions. Seven. 4 and 8. 4, 7, 8. However, 7 we have done 2 parts. Can do the rest. Yeah. That's it, guys. Thank you for coming today. And then we'll see you hopefully same time next week. Otherwise, I'll let you know. Right?